It is a common knowledge in anthropology that ethnography is one of the most important aspects of studying a culture. But in the early 1900s, theories focused only on the evolution of cultures without actually experiencing or describing the life of the people from different societies. That was the trend until one anthropologist changed it all. He looked at cultural elements from the point of view of what they provide as a value to the individual. In this short video, we are delving into the world of cultural functionalism, an important theory in anthropology developed by Branislaw Malinowski, who revolutionized our understanding of the cultures across the globe. Malinowski was considered the first anthropologist to truly engage in ethnographic fieldwork on a major scale, and a significant contribution of his is that he studied the Kula exchange of valuables across the widely spread out Trobriand Islands of the Western Pacific. What did he learn when he stayed and immersed himself in the lives of the people there? What sets Malinowski's approach apart from previous theories? Stay tuned as we delve into the legacy of Malinowski's cultural functionalism, revealing the functional beauty of cultural rituals and structures, and why even today his theories continue to influence and inspire anthropologists around the globe. Hello and welcome to our exploration of Branislaw Malinowski's cultural functionalism. Malinowski, a foundational figure in anthropology, introduced a perspective that emphasized the role of cultural practices in fulfilling the needs of individuals within a society. Cultural functionalism, developed by Branislaw Malinowski, is a theoretical framework that views culture as a set of integrated parts, each serving a specific function within the society. It emphasizes how cultural practices, beliefs, and institutions serve to meet the physiological and the psychological needs of individuals. What are the key principles of cultural functionalism? Number 1. Culture as a response to needs. Malinowski proposed that every aspect of a culture, from its rituals to its social structures, serves to fulfill the basic biological, psychological, and the social needs of its members. Number 2. Interconnectedness of cultural elements. He emphasized that cultural elements are interconnected, with each part contributing to the overall functioning and stability of the society. This is the reason why holism became an important paradigm in anthropological research. Number 3. Empirical research and fieldwork. Malinowski advocated for rigorous empirical research and in-depth fieldwork, arguing that an anthropologist must observe and participate in the daily life of the people being studied to truly understand their culture. What are the major contributions of Malinowski? Well, number 1, innovations in fieldwork. Malinowski revolutionized anthropological fieldwork, introducing the methods of participant observation, which became a standard in cultural anthropology. Number 2, studies on the Trobriand Islanders. His work amongst the Trobriand Islanders provided a groundbreaking insight into their kinship, economic and religious systems, demonstrating the practical applications of cultural functionalism. And what has been its impact on anthropological thought? Malinowski's cultural functionalism marked a shift in anthropology towards understanding the practical and functional aspects of cultural practices. His focus on fulfilling needs as the basis for cultural development influenced subsequent theories and methodologies in anthropology. Despite its contributions, cultural functionalism has been critiqued for potentially overlooking the complexities of social change and conflict, as well as underestimating the role of individual agency and symbolic aspects of culture. However, in conclusion, we can say that Branislaw Malinowski's cultural functionalism offers a compelling perspective on understanding the functional aspects of culture. His approach has had a lasting impact on anthropology, encouraging a more nuanced and comprehensive understanding of cultural practices and their roles in the society.